Hi guys, good afternoon.
Welcome to Venice Grand Canal in Taguig City, Philippines.
Alright, it's my first time here. I'm excited. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's really cool that the Philippines has this. You wouldn't know it's the Philippines. It looks like you're in Italy. It's really, really beautiful here. I've seen it in vlogs and it looks nice, but like once you're here in person, you really see the grand aspect of this place. It's amazing, really well done. Like, look at the buildings. I don't know what that is. A bunch of teeth whitening, some promotional thing there. But other than that, it's really nice. So yeah, guys, this place is beautiful. I've seen it in many vlogs, but this is my first time actually being here in person, and it's really amazing. You really do feel like you're in Italy. Look at that. Look at the swans they have there too.
Yeah, but I've never
swans.
tried the boat and the swan yet.
No? Okay.
Yeah, we can try later.
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, it's really nice here. We picked a good day. Look, some blue skies finally, no rain. What is going on up here? So many people.
No, hindi niya ako binigyan. You
Huh?
need to take me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Hey. Hey, sorry.
Mamma mia! Go away!
What would you rather do? The boat or the swan?
Maybe I'd rather have the swan.
The swan?
Or which one is cheaper?
I have no idea.
Maybe the swan.
I don't care about the price. I just want to experience it.
We can do both if you
Both?
want. You said you don't care about the price, so we can do both.
Oh, okay. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. What are all these locks left?
These are love locks.
Love locks.
Yeah, if you want to lock your loved one or your boyfriend or husband forever, you have to go here.
Oh, we should have
think-
brought a lock.
This is just a superstitious
Oh,
belief.
obviously. But it's not actually going to
For
happen.
fun.
But it's a nice gesture.
Yeah. Like here, oh. Gillier love Janine.
Maybe they're watching this and they'll see this. Jake and Joy. Yeah, this place is really nice. They have lots of different places to eat, and you don't see the commercial signs. Like if you look over here, you see the different signs, and it looks like a European village. What would that be? A village? I have no idea. But you can see like inside. If you go inside, you can see like the Burger King sign, and
So here you can find a mix of local and international restaurants. I've seen Jollibee here, Mang Inasal, Kuya
there's
J.
Burger King up there.
Yeah.
I like it. See, you can see the Burger King sign right up there. Well, it says Burger King, but it's not the actual logo. The way they made it is kind of like everything is kind of uniform to make it look like you're in like this European area. Well,
Yeah.
sorry, not European area.
And
Venice.
the outdoor dining is like in Venice.
Yeah, it's like you're in an Italian villa. beautiful. And then look at the condos overlooking, very nice. Here's the swans, a closer look at them. Kind of dirty inside, I don't know if I want to sit in there. Yeah. Yeah, you really do feel like you're in Italy here. Just look at this place, my goodness.
This place is the most romantic place in the Philippines.
It is. It's very nice. It's a romantic getaway here right in the middle of the Philippines. It's a beautiful spot. You would not think you're in the Philippines. You feel like you're in Italy. Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Look at the Venice residences here. It's so nice.
Oh yeah. Imagine having a condo there and overlooking this place every day. It'd be very nice. You would feel like you're not living in a condo. You feel like you're living in a resort maybe. I don't know. It's very nice. And they kind of matched the condos to match this whole Venice Canal Mall. Very nice. Okay, here's the gondola ride. So it's 500 per person. Minimum of 4 person on the boat. So we can't do the boat. Maximum of 6. And then the swan boat, 300.
Yeah, but look at this. They're just 2.
Yeah, that makes no sense. Minimum 4.
What if you're just a couple here?
And there's only 2 people in the picture. Alright, well it looks like we're gonna do
But
this
it's
one
free
though.
entrance for children under 3 feet.
Alright, can you pretend you're a kid? Just go like shrink down. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's try this one boat then. So to get the ticket, it is inside the mall. I'm not sure where though. Oh, right there. Alright, so I got the ticket. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Hey Swanee. That's what we'll name him, Swanee. Swanee Swanson. Wow.
How deep is this?
Not too deep, probably like 4 feet. Kiss. Wow.
It's so nice.
So romantic, except for this like, really like, what is going on with the steering wheel? I have no idea. So nice, love.
Yeah, all eyes are
All eyes
on the
us.
boats here. Not just on us.
Oh,
Everyone here.
That's okay.
Everyone on the boat.
Can you
and on
blame
the...
them? Can you blame them? I'd be staring at this too.
Yeah, because earlier I've been taking pictures of them too.
Here, do you want to take a video of it too?
Oh my goodness, we're crashing. It's so nice. You take charge because I'm gonna take a selfie.
I'm taking video at the same time. It's pretty hard. I feel like a drunk driver. All these people taking videos. Here, they're gonna point a camera at me, I'll point a camera at them. It's only fair, right?
Oh my goodness, you can't go inside there.
Why not? Can we? All right, moment of truth.
We might crash.
Will the swan head fit underneath here? I'm actually kind of scared for this guy.
Okay.
Oh wow, it just makes it. It just makes it. By like this much. Maybe more, I don't know. Wow, this is very nice, no?
Yeah.
All the people on the bridge taking selfies and getting a nice view. Oh, what are these boats here doing? Let's join them. Photobomb. Oh, wait. Reverse. I don't want a photobomb. I feel bad. Reverse. Okay. There you go. We didn't ruin them.
We can go reverse now.
Yeah, we can reverse. I didn't want to ruin their picture. I thought the guy was gonna sing at first, but then I realized he's taking a picture, so I didn't want to photobomb. And we are getting really close to the edge there. Okay, we'll go through this bridge and then we'll take a selfie. Maybe you can ask this guy if he could take a picture of us. Wait, it's already recording. There you go. We'll just pose for a picture.
Yeah, we do.
With the swan head.
Pati yung swan head po.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's try this place. It looks really good.
Yeah.
Buddies.
The inside of the restaurant looks very festive because this is a Payas Festival inspired Filipino restaurant.
Very Filipino.
Yeah.
All right, let's go inside and have some food here. Looks yummy.
A few moments later.
All right, the food has arrived. What do we have here, love?
So I've got this lumpiang Shanghai and their bestseller lukban pancit or pancit lukban, and another bestseller lukban longganisa,
Yummy.
cassava cake,
Yummy.
and beef tapa, and sagut gulaman. I
Yeah.
just got this pineapple juice.
You just got pineapple juice and I got the gulaman. The gulaman, I don't know why you got the pineapple juice.
They have two types of suka or vinegar.
This pineapple juice is just 5 pesos less than this, and look how nice and fancy this is. Well, you say you wanted pineapple juice because it's more refreshing?
Yeah, it's more refreshing.
Okay, let me try this black gulaman. Do I have to mix this? Or
Yeah, you have to
mix
mix
it? Okay, I'll mix this first. Halo. Gulaman, halo.
Love.
Okay, here we go. I've had black gulaman. I've had gulaman here in the Philippines before, but this is by far the best gulaman I've had here in the Philippines. Love, take a sip. It's good. The best gulaman I've had in the Philippines so far.
It's very icy.
Take a sip, take a sip. It's
Yeah.
good, no?
Very good.
Yeah.
Tastes like coffee.
Coffee? I guess it's a syrup on the bottom, but no, it's really good. Very refreshing. All right.
Try their longganisa.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah, their longganisa here is a bit spicy.
Not too spicy, but I thought because it's so red, I thought it was gonna be very spicy, but not really. Very mild, but it's good. Be better with rice. All right,
Let's try their ano.
I switched spots so we can get both of us in the video here as we take a bite here. Alright. Here is the pancit. Very good. Alright, that was the pancit. The lumpia. Here, we're going to try the lumpia. Lumpia is good. Try that, it's good. How's the pancit, love?
It's good. May I try your beef tapa?
Yeah, the beef tapa is one of my favorites here in the Philippines. Beef tapa. Yummy. Yeah, that beef tapa is good. Alright, beef tapa and longanisa at the same time. Hello, hello. Oh.
You try the vinegar.
Vinegar with the longanisa? It goes really well with the vinegar. Yeah, that's nice. And after we eat, I am really excited for this. The cassava cake. Ooh, yummy. Okay, time to have the cassava cake. Alright. Do you want a bite, love?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Better than Don Benito's? I'll tell you if it is.
This tastes more like homemade. Yeah, homemade cassava cake.
That's good. Yeah.
Diba?
I love cassava cake. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful at night. Wow, Tim Hortons in the Philippines. Wow. Alright, that's the end of our video.
We hope you enjoyed watching our video, guys, as much as we enjoyed it here.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!